So what we've done already is the door jambs and inside the fenders and inside the trunk. Then we just mass it up so we can do all the outside at once. What's left is the bumpers and the rockers and the spoiler. So right now we're just doing the outside of it. So hopefully when we open up the doors, you won't be able to see any edges or anything like that, and everything will match. I'm Jacob Edwards with Norris Collision Center. We've got a 2011 Chevy Camaro we're doing a custom paint job on. Customer wanted it to be just like the Transformers. So we did a little special mix here. Standard 488P Chevy yellow. And I've made my own special pearl, which is completely custom. So it's pretty close. We're gonna get it done. Okay, oh, and then once we get it done, then we gotta buzz down the top surfaces and do a stripe and clear back over it. So it's gonna be in the booth till Friday. Oh yeah. So initially when we got the car in the booth, we decided not to do the white sealer as you would normally do with yellows for a couple reasons. One, when we mask into the jam, that sealer always tends to make it past how far the yellow can go. So we'd probably see a white line. And anytime we can get away with not sealing, that's what I try to do. So over like the bare metal spots or any cut through that we had, we just put an etch primer down and then base coat straight over that. And another reason why we didn't seal is because regardless of how many coats you have of yellow, we have to have a certain amount of coats to get the actual color. So if we went one less, whether we had gray sealer or white sealer, there'd be two different yellows. So we almost use the primer edges as a guide coat to see if we're covered or not. So we want the car to be the same as the bumpers. So your 9 coats is going to cover it with yellow, 9 full coats of yellow. So we'll do the same exact thing on the bumper and they will match. And it's the same for the pearl. I think we did 4 or 5 coats of pearl. So that way we can get them back in and they'll both be same and they'll match perfectly.